Blake Lively is preparing to take the stand in what is quickly becoming one of the most highly publicized celebrity legal battles of the year. The case, involving her It Ends With Us co-star Justin Baldoni, has taken on a life of its own in the media, not just for the claims and counterclaims being thrown around, but also due to the growing involvement, both perceived and real, of Lively's famous inner circle. Among those rumored to be connected to the case are Taylor Swift, Hugh Jackman, and Lively's husband, Ryan Reynolds. But according to her legal team, the trial will be focused on facts, not fame or speculation. In his first public statement about the case, Blake's attorney Mike Gottlieb spoke with People magazine and confirmed definitively that the actress will testify. Of course, Blake is going to testify, Gottlieb stated. However, he was quick to shoot down the swirling rumors that some of her A-list friends might also be dragged into the legal drama. It's completely unclear what claims or defenses in the case any of these celebrities, no matter how famous or close to Blake, have any relevance to it all, he explained. Gottlieb also took a hard stance against the idea that fame should dictate legal procedure. You can't just go around subpoenaing people because they're famous and you think it will generate a bunch of headlines, he continued. The federal courts don't tolerate that kind of behavior. Still, the public fascination with the case continues to grow, especially with names like Taylor Swift and Hugh Jackman floating in the background. While their exact connection to the conflict remains unclear, their association with Lively has prompted speculation that they could be called as witnesses or character references. Gottlieb dismissed such notions as unnecessary distractions that detract from the real issues at hand. Adding to the complexity of the situation is Ryan Reynolds, Blake's husband, who has been named in Justin Baldoni's countersuit. His involvement remains uncertain, but his inclusion in the legal documents has raised eyebrows and sparked questions about whether he might be forced to testify as well. For now, Gottlieb has remained tight-lipped on that front, declining to comment on how Reynolds' name came into play or whether he will take the stand. On the opposing side, Baldoni's lawyer Brian Friedman has taken a much more aggressive approach. In a recent statement, he claimed that Blake Lively herself was responsible for involving her high-profile friends in the dispute. Blake was the one who brought her high-profile friends into this situation, Friedman alleged. She used her dragons to manipulate Justin at every turn. The term dragons appears to be a nickname referencing Lively's powerful celebrity allies, a detail that has only added drama to the already heated legal battle. Friedman went on to claim that they have solid evidence backing their side, including unedited receipts, documents, and real-life footage, suggesting that more revelations may soon be made public. The truth has been clearly shown, he added ominously. More to come. Despite the media circus forming around the case, Blake's legal team remains firm in its focus on the facts. We don't expect this case is going to turn into a circus, Gottlieb said. We are confident in our position and will not be drawn into games of distraction or character assassination. While the exact details of the lawsuit remain sealed from public view, the feud between Lively and Baldoni has clearly escalated into something deeply personal. With both sides seemingly digging in for a prolonged legal showdown and with the added intrigue of potential celebrity witnesses, the upcoming trial is expected to capture the attention of both fans and legal experts alike. For now, all eyes remain on Blake Lively as she prepares to face questions in court, without, it seems, the backup of her so-called dragons.